The Mini Cube 3.0 lives up to its name: compact, sleek, and discreet. It features a premium sandblasted aluminum alloy body with a high-gloss finish that blends elegantly with my SUV interior aesthetic. The groove sides offer a comfortable grip and make unplugging effortless, while the 90-degree USB connector ensures a tidy fit that saves space in the center console. The design isn't just about looks, it's functional too. The metal housing acts as a heatsink, keeping the adapter cool even during long drives. Despite its small footprint, it feels solid and well-engineered, a testament to Ottocast's attention to detail. The Ottocast MiniCube 3.0 transforms your wired CarPlay or Android Auto setup into a wireless experience that feels native to your car. It's fast, stable, stylish, and requires absolutely zero tech knowledge to install. For MGZS owners, and really any vehicle with wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this little cube is a must-have upgrade that delivers premium-level convenience at a fraction of the cost. The Ottocast MiniCube 3.0 is a perfect companion for my MGZS exclusive, blending smart design, flawless connectivity, and modern convenience into one elegant little adapter. Once you try it, you'll never want to plug in a cable again.